Welcome to another episode of Damage TV. This is the extra into another video, and today we're unboxing today's package. I believe this is from eBay. I think probably from eBay, and this is from Social Nature. So let's start with Social Nature first. Oh, okay, cool. So this is for Genexa Arnica pain tablets. So I got two coupons, one for a free Genexa Arnica pain tablet. It's going to be about at least, I think it says 60 tablets. And then there's one for just any Genexa product. And these are good for the end of July. Until the end of July. So next up we got eBay. I don't want to cut this part because this part's my information. So cut this. Okay, so this is so these are the nails that I ordered. These beautiful yellow nails. It cost $2.10. Absolutely like these. I got a different color of these nails. They were in orange. That's so orange. I don't know if there's anything else in this bag. No. So yeah, I'm gonna actually pull out a nail. Oh, pull out a nail. Oh God, look at this. Snip this one. You know, snip where I can easily close it. Did I do all right? Oh, I did that. Mind you, I got my own nails done. Damn it! Oh, I gotta shave my underarms. Soon. The benefits and the pros and cons of having nails are really cute, but try typing and stuff like that. But you could actually tell them bad. These look pretty. I want to actually pull one out. Oh, okay. So we're gonna come in. How many pieces are in here? They say it says 100, so it's probably good as 100 pieces. So this is one of the nails. Really nice color. Love how it looks. It's really reflecting to the light. I would have gotten a matte one, but I actually like these instead. So yeah, I'm gonna give these a 9 out of 10 because I don't like the packaging. I wish it could have done something different. The vouchers are 10 out of 10. I will be using these. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video. Click the notification bell so you be notified of all of my videos. I have a playlist. It's the first link in the description of everything I reviewed, from headphones to wigs. I think I did nails, but maybe nail glue with nail accessories and other equipment. So go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna try to do more reviews. Unfortunately, some of my packages have been getting lost, and I actually had to get a replacement. And that's my mirror back there. So you see a reflection of this. I look a mess. I really look a mess, and I just washed my hair. But I love you guys. Bye.